Hi. Come on, join me.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Kassi and this is
Jimena.
We received a really cool package of homemade masks from my mom today.
Here, I'll go get some.
And we thought that it would be a good idea to get on here and teach you how to use a mask.
This one is a tiny alien squid. Baby shake do 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 do, baby squid do 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 do.
My name is Kassi Reyes. I'm a registered nurse and a lactation consultant. And today you're gonna learn all the tips and tricks for adult and kid wearing a mask safely. We thought it would be fun to do a video on how to properly use a mask.
If you like this channel, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell below so you know when we update more videos.
So something really important that we want to make sure that we tell you is that you don't want to ever put a mask on someone that can't put a mask on themselves, especially a newborn baby.
Because if they can't put it on themselves, that means they can't take it off.
And what happens if they can't take it off? If
They
can't
will
breathe?
suffocate.
There's risk of suffocation if they can't take it off themselves. So only use a mask on someone who's able to put it on and take it off independently.
Are you confused what to feed your baby?
Yeah.
Well, the CDC recommends that you breastfeed, you wear a mask if you're gonna breastfeed your baby and if you have COVID-19.
Oh, okay. So I can breastfeed,
Yes.
but I have to wear a mask.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
The CDC does recommend for COVID positive moms that if you are breastfeeding, you wear a mask while breastfeeding.
We're gonna show you how to properly wear a mask.
All right, so our advice number one for using a mask is to mark the sides. So know which side is clean and which side is
dirty. This side this side is clean and the other side is dirty. But for this it's easy to know. And for this one it is because it's blue and it has a different color. But these are really hard because there's lines. But there's one way to know. When you open it, it's supposed to make a bowl. And if it doesn't, that means it's the dirty side.
right. So you want the bowl-shaped side to go over your face. And you only want to touch the ear holes.
Because if you touch the inside, it gets dirty.
With this mask, it can be very hard to tell because both sides are the same color. Which color is the clean side and which side is the dirty side? So you want to pick a side that's always going to go against your face and one side that's always going to be on the outside. When you open it, you want the clean side to always go against your own face.
Yeah.
Like this. So if you have a mask that has the same material on both sides, you might want to mark it with a little marker or something that reminds you that that's the side that always goes on your face. So you're not accidentally putting the dirty side against your face. So yesterday we went out to the park and we learned a lesson, didn't we?
Yes.
All right, so tell them what we learned yesterday.
When we were at the park, I accidentally piled my mask atop of her mask.
Like
and she
this.
told me that the outside was not supposed to be inside.
When you take your mask off, you don't want to pile them inside of each other because then the dirty side of this mask is touching the clean side of the other one. So what Jimena is supposed to be demonstrating to you is the improper way of wearing a mask. If your nose is not under the mask, you are not properly protected from germs getting in there. Another thing that we see people doing is putting the mask down around their neck, which can also lead to the dirty part of the mask touching your chin and your face and contaminating you with any germs that have collected on the outside of the mask. So this is the proper way you want to be wearing your mask, covering your face, your mouth, and your chin. And when you're done with it, taking it off from around the loop. Jimena has something to teach us about washing the masks. Let us know what you think.
You're supposed to wash it some days when it gets dirty, really dirty, or if it falls down on the ground.
And we recommend washing it frequently, especially if you've used it a lot in one day. Just throw these kind of masks can just be thrown in the wash, or if you have a paper surgical mask, make sure you throw it away. Let us know down below if any of these tips were helpful to you.
And let us know if you are doing any of these differently.
All right, so Jimena has a challenge for you all today.
Try to hit the bell button, the like button, and the subscribe button in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off!
Take 5.
I want to do it.
Now come around and get in the camera because you weren't on the video. On the ground.
I just said it in a Russian accent.
And a Russian accent.
I did good.
Good job.
That's all, folks. Bye.
If you like the information you've seen here, please give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and share our videos with any families who you think would benefit from this information. Thank you.